Hello everyone, it's me Luthfia. Today we are going to learn about assessing speaking. First, we will learn about the indicators of speaking. The first is fluency. This means speaking easily, reasonably quickly without having to stop and pause a lot. The second is pronunciation. The act or result of producing the sound of speech, including articulation, stress, and intonation. The third is accuracy. This refers to how correct students' use of the language system is, including their use of grammar, pronunciation, and vocab. The fourth is interaction. This refers to the ability to interact with others during communicative tasks. The fifth or the last is communication. This refers to the student's ability to transmit his or her ideas. Now we will move to the basic types of speaking. There are some types of basic speaking. The first is imitative. Imitative speaking means the ability to imitate a word or a phrase or even a sentence. The second is intensive speaking. Intensive speaking focuses in grammar, phrasal, lexical, or phonological relationship in the language used. The third is responsive. Interaction at the somewhat limited level of a very short conversation, standard greeting and small talk, simple comment and request, and the like. The fourth is interactive. Interactive speaking refers to the unique feature of interactive speaking is that it is usually more interpersonal than transactional. By interpersonal, it is meant speaking for maintaining relationship. Transactional speaking is for sharing information as is common at the responsive level. The fifth or the last type of basic speaking is extensive speaking. Extensive communication is normally some sort of monologue. Examples include speech, storytelling, and etc. This involves a great deal of preparation and is not typically improvisational communication. Now we will move to the micro and macro skills of speaking. Do you know what is the difference? In micro skills of speaking, it refers to the production of smaller chunks of language such as phonemes, morphemes, words, collocation, and phrasal unit. On the other hand, macro skills of speaking, it is focuses on the fluency, discourse, function, style, cohesion, nonverbal communication, and strategy option. Now we will move to the designing test assessment in speaking. The first is assessment for imitative speaking. In imitative speaking, we can use word repetition tasks, directed response, read aloud stimulus, paragraph length, dialogue, picture cued. So that's the example of the test for imitative speaking. Now we will take a look at assessment or type of test in responsive speaking. In testing the students' responsive speaking, we can use elicitation of question from the test taker, question eliciting open-ended responses, eliciting instruction or direction, paraphrasing a story, paraphrasing a phone message. That's all the example of responsive speaking, the task for responsive speaking. Now we will move to the interactive speaking. There are some ways in assessing the students' interactive speaking. Those include interview, role play, discussion and conversation, and also games. For the extensive speaking, the type of assessment or test can be oral presentation, picture cued storytelling, retelling a story, and translation. So that's all about assessing speaking. If you have question or comment, you can drop it in the comment section below. See you in the next video. Goodbye.